Technology platform. A technology platform is a structure on which users build or run successful business applications. It acts as a building block for extending and developing an application, driving innovation, and fostering business growth. Types of technology platforms. 1. Operating system. An operating system is a program that controls the execution of application programs and acts as an interface between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. A more common definition is that the operating system is the one program running at all times on the computer, usually called the kernel, with all else being application programs. An operating system is concerned with the allocation of resources and services, such as memory, processors, devices, and information. The operating system correspondingly includes programs to manage these resources, such as a traffic controller, a scheduler, a memory management module, I/O programs, and a file system. Functions of operating system. The operating system performs 3 functions. Convenience. An OS makes a computer more convenient to use. Efficiency. An OS allows computer system resources to be used in an efficient manner. Ability to evolve. An OS should be constructed in such a way as to permit the effective development, testing, and introduction of new system functions at the same time without interfering with service. Examples of operating systems. Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, Apple iOS. 1. Computing platforms. A computing platform consists of hardware and an operating system on which you can run an application or a program. Although computing platforms exist in different forms, you need to define the system and its underlying requirements and limitations. Ultimately, all computing platforms have the same general hardware, including a processor, operating memory, and storage system. Some come with input or output devices that aid user interactions. Examples of cloud platforms. A personal desktop computer using Windows OS. An iPad running on the iOS system. A mini computer utilizing the Linux OS alongside other variations. 1. Database platforms. Database platforms are cloud platforms that enable you to deploy and manage different database types like relational, NoSQL, and in-memory databases. A database management system, DBMS, stands between end users, the database, and applications to help capture and analyze the data shared between these mediums. Examples of database platforms. Oracle, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. 1. Storage platforms. Storage platforms allow the storage of files and objects. There are different storage platform types: object-based storage, software-defined storage, and data-defined storage. Object storage manages unstructured data as objects. Software-defined storage separates storage services from physical storage hardware. Data-defined storage combines the attributes of software and object-defined storage while adding data security and identity management. Examples of storage platforms: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Mediafire, iDrive, Amazon Cloud Drive. 1. Application platforms. An application platform is a virtual platform that application programs rely on to conduct their standard operations. It provides an enabling environment for developing application software. Examples of application platforms: OutSystems, Appri.io, Microsoft Visual Studio, Adobe PhoneGap, Google App Maker. 2. Mobile platforms. A mobile platform combines software tools to create, design, and maintain mobile applications. It includes operating systems and environments that enable the development of mobile apps. Every mobile platform supports the development of mobile apps by using different programming languages and an application programming interface that encourages interactions between software packages. Examples of mobile platforms: BlackBerry, iOS, Android, Windows Mobile OS. 1. Web platforms. Web platforms allow for the discovery and sharing of information over the Internet. They include web servers, web application servers, and digital elements that allow for the sharing of information online. A website that provides historical information about the United States of America is a great example of a web platform. Users can connect via the Internet, type in the URL, and access the needed information. Examples of web platforms: Britannica, ResearchGate, LexisWeb, Wolfram Alpha. 1. Content Management System Platforms. A content management system, CMS, platform helps users to create, manage, and publish content, media, and documents. This platform allows you to manage your content better and publish website content. Companies use CMS platforms as a document management system, an intranet site, and to publish web content on their blogs and websites. Without a CMS platform, you must first understand programming languages and coding properly. Why? All web pages use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS programming languages. The main benefit you gain from a CMS platform is the ability to create, edit, and store web content without needing technical expertise. Examples of content management system platforms: Joomla, HubSpot CMS Hub, WordPress.org, WooCommerce, Drupal, BigCommerce, Shopify. 1. Media platforms. The primary function of a media platform is to provide and deliver media to its users. However, most media platform owners are now allowing feedback from their users to make their platforms more interactive. Examples of media platforms: Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, YouTube, local newspaper, network TV, Pinterest. 1. API platforms. Application Programming Interface, API, is an intermediary software providing the means for different applications to communicate with each other. An API platform allows for the easy management of APIs and other related applications. This platform exposes data, its resources, and assets in a machine-readable format to other users. Examples of API platforms: Funnel, Make, Workato, CYCLR, Dream Factory, Maestro PMS. 1. Analytics platforms. An analytics platform refers to any service or tool that allows users to capture, process, analyze, and visualize data for better decision-making. Organizations and different departments, strategic business units, use analytics platforms to make data-driven decisions. Analytics platforms allow companies to employ their platforms on-premises or in the cloud. Industries such as marketing, finance, management, information security, online systems, and software services are the most significant users of analytics platforms. Examples of analytics platforms: Microsoft Power BI Desktop, ClickSense, Looker, cSense, Tableau. 1. Security Management System Platforms. Security management system platforms are systems that provide security teams with a centralized hub for managing their network security. These platforms integrate with third-party security products and services for better and faster outcomes. Examples of security management system platforms: Quantum, CloudGuard, Harmony, Horizon. 1. Robotics platforms. Robotic platforms are systems or tools that provide the framework for developing, managing, and using robotic programs or devices. A robotic platform makes it easy for people with little or no technical expertise to create robotic programs and devices. Examples of robotics platforms: Google Robot, Microsoft AirSim, Apollo Beidou, iRobot Aware, OpenJAUS, YARP, Pyro. 1. Internet of Things platforms. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of interconnected physical objects with sensors and processing abilities that collect and share data through the Internet. IoT platforms are on-premise software or cloud services that bridge the gap between device sensors and data networks. An IoT platform is a set of technologies that allow developers to build software applications, remotely collect data, and manage device connectivity. This platform connects different sets of technologies or communications to ensure a seamless flow of data between devices. Examples of Internet of Things platforms: Google Cloud IoT, Salesforce IoT Cloud, IBM Watson IoT, Amazon AWS IoT Core, Microsoft Azure IoT Hub, Oracle IoT. 1. AI platforms. Artificial intelligence, AI, platforms offer AI-based services that enable you to build and manage your own AI. AI platforms provide an enabling environment for machine learning, such as a machine learning database that enables you to build your AI applications effectively. As an integrated set of technologies, AI platforms enable organizations to create, develop, and operate their AI applications at scale. Examples of AI platforms: Google AI Platform, TensorFlow, Microsoft Azure, Rainbird, Infosys Nia, Wipro Homes. 1. Gaming platforms. A gaming platform combines electronic or computer hardware and software to allow a video game to run efficiently. This platform is the supporting system that allows users to play multiplayer online games on different devices. The three most popular gaming platforms are personal computers, video game consoles, and mobile devices. Examples of gaming platforms: the Sony PlayStation, Microsoft's Xbox, Nintendo's Switch. PCs. Mobile.